The origin of the ambient methods was with a discovery which came out of completely different work. We were doing something else and came across this phenomenon of being able to ionize materials, solid materials, just using droplets of solvent. That was a work of Zoltan Takats in 2003. We published in Science in 2004. And we were off to the races. A whole lot of different ambient methods developed within the first year. The commercialization sputtered a little bit in the beginning, and Prosolio actually was only established a few years later with the purpose of commercializing some of the developments that came out of this area of research. Justin Wiseman is the person who founded Prosolio. He was a grad student and ended up with a company which did DESI, which is one of these methods, and also paper spray, which is another of these methods. Very practical sort of methodologies.
I've been particularly excited about its application to look at tissue to determine the difference between cancer and non-cancer in tissue, particularly at the margin. If anybody's undergone a cancer operation, they often take hours. Why is that so? What really happens is a surgeon takes a cut, hands the cut off to a pathologist, freezes it, stains it, examines it, and tells the surgeon, you gotta cut more to the right, to the left. And if you leave stuff at the margin, then recurrence of cancer is greatly increased. So it's very important. Now, the ability to be able to do ambient ionization imaging and to do it hopefully cheaply and quickly will, I think, revolutionize what's able to happen in the hospital suite during such operations.
This is the opposite of high performance mass spec. It's minimum performance, but it's appropriate for being able to solve problems in situ. So doing work where the problem is rather than taking the material back to the lab. It's all about speed and simplicity.